Hi Heidi, we are going to draw a shrimp today. Let's start from here. We're going to draw the body first. So this is the part of the body which we eat. This is very delicious actually. So the body, it's like combinations of the segments. At the end there are the parts like this, and it has a very hard and very steady head here. The shell of the head is really hard. This is the eye. There's a hand like things here in the front. Another one will be here like this. Few little stops like this will be here. So this is the details of the shrimp. Now let's put some hash or the shades to make it clearly visible, or the segments. The darker side is at the edge of the segments here. At the edge of the segments the darker side comes. There are a long hatch here. Let's put the shades at the bottom. There's the shades at the bottom. Here these are the details to make the shrimp make a nicer one. All right, now let's make the legs little darker. This one, let's make this legs a little darker too, and the head. All right, we need little details on this part. Details on this part too. Also few details on this part. We can use pen to differentiate these two parts from one another. All right, so this is the shrimp. I hope you like my video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.